SOLIDWORKS is home to countless materials made to represent how products will appear and act in the real world. In a recent update, SOLIDWORKS Sell has implemented over 250 of those materials into its own library. This means that if you assign a certain part to be aluminum or gold in SOLIDWORKS, then the material will already be assigned to that part when the assembly is published. This allows for consistency between platforms and eliminates the need to recreate or assign materials on your own. Let's get into it. Here I have a coffee maker with all of its parts already assigned into groups. I've also made sure to select the option to Create Assembly in Cell. This automatically creates the assembly as soon as it's published, which can be extremely helpful and saves time when the assembly is large or detailed. Now with everything all set, I'm going to click Publish. As you can see, my coffee maker has been assembled and the materials that were assigned to the parts have carried over. The addition of these materials provides users with a better out-of-box experience. This saves hours of time and effort that would have been spent manually creating and assigning the right materials. Going over to the Groups tab, you can see the new SOLIDWORKS materials have been assigned to their respective parts. If we wanted to add more materials, we can go to the library. To see the SOLIDWORKS materials, you can just search for SW and all 266 of them show up. To narrow down the search even further, we can go to the drop-down menu and select the base material. I'll select a few different kinds of plastic that I think will look good on the coffee maker. I can review all of the materials I have selected by clicking the Show Only Selected button. And if I decide that I don't want certain materials anymore, I can simply deselect them from the screen. Another way to deselect a material is by clicking the little X when hovering over the material in the menu. One cool function that has been added recently is the ability to reorder your selection of materials. Say you want it to go from lighter to darker, or if you want to put colors first, you can simply do that by dragging and swapping the materials around. In only a few minutes, we have gone from the SOLIDWORKS model to a refined product in SOLIDWORKS Sell with the help of these new materials. This provides for a seamless transition between the platforms and saves time and money spent finalizing products.